those clouds. That's pretty awesome. We're gonna get a lot of rain tonight. Maybe some thunder. Life Church.
Not good.
Not good. Everybody's saying it's not good. RP's taking it off. Getting two here. Motorcycle. Oh man. Look at that motorcycle. Damn. Looks like that minivan may have been involved. This is on Black River Boulevard and East Pine Street. Look at that motorcycle. Can't see it too good, I know, but it's completely obliterated. I'm not trying to say it in a mean way to all these motorcycle riders, but an awful lot of them have been rocketing up and down the boulevard, morning, day, and night. So, one morning when I was drinking coffee, I said to myself in front of the computer, I said, it's only a matter of time before one of them smacks into a car. Well, here it is. And this is the result. And for the motorcycle rider, I don't think it's going to be good.
They don't want. I don't want to snap any pictures because people get pissed off.
There's two of them. I'm not saying the motorcycle might have been speeding, but he might have. It's a crotch rocket race bike. But there is a second one there that was probably his co-rider, his buddy.
side of the street.
Just nothing else but that.